Hello, dear students. I am Umesh Sherke, Assistant Professor in Chemistry, Arts, Science and Commerce College, Raman Nagar, Burli, Taluka Palus, District Sangli. As we have discussed the syllabus of the unit number 4, that is cycloalkane, cycloalkene and alkadine in previous lectures. So the contents are, so we have to study the three molecules of hydrocarbons. We know that the hydrocarbons are the compounds containing carbon and hydrogen, but they have closed ring structures like that of alkane, that is cycloalkane, then alkene, so that is cycloalkenes, and alkadines. So these are the compounds or hydrocarbon containing two double bond in these compounds. So we have studied one by one. So we already discussed the introductions in the previous lecture. The cycloalkane and alkadines are the important hydrocarbons derived from the natural gas petroleum and destructive distillation of coal. They are the very useful starting material in the synthetic organic chemistry. So there are number of compounds have been synthesized by using these cyclic compounds or cyclic hydrocarbon, that is cycloalkanes, cycloalkenes and alkadines. So first of all we will discuss about the cycloalkane. Cycloalkanes are monocyclic saturated compounds or hydrocarbon which resemble the aliphatic compounds in their properties and also called as alicyclic compounds. Cycloalkane with one double bond are called as cycloalkene, and aliphatic compounds with two double bond are called as alkadines. They have general formula CnH2n plus 2. The travel system for the cycloalkane. These cycloalkane is formed due to the repeating unit of methylene groups. The number of methylene group trimethylene, it contains three methylene groups, that is cyclopropene. When it contains four methylene groups, then it is called tetramethylene. Then it contains six methylene groups, that is cyclohexane, as the number of carbon atom is 6. The IUPAC, as per the IUPAC nomenclature, this system, these compounds are known as cycloalkanes. While naming as per the system, the word cyclo is added prefixes to same the corresponding alkane. Here, the number of carbon atom in the following molecules is 3, 4, 5 and 6. As the 3 carbon atom, the parent alkane is cyclopropane, parent alkyl is propane, and the name is the cyclopropane. Then cyclobutane, cyclopentane and cyclohexane respectively. If the substituent is present, then the name of that substituent is prefixes before the cycloalkane names. So here methyls examples are methyl cyclopentane, 1 bromo 2,4 dimethyl cyclopropane, then 1 methyl 3,5 dimethyl cyclopropane. If the bicyclic compound is present, then the naming is done as per the rule, that is bicyclo 2,2,1 heptane, bicyclo 3,1,0 hexane, then bicyclo 2,2,2 octane. So this is the general procedures. Next to this, we will see the method of formations. So how this cycloalkane is formed by the different chemical reactions. It has been prepared by the different methods, but some methods are discussed here. So first one is addition of carbene to alkene. So it undergo addition reaction. So carbene is the neutral electrophile, so it can add to the multiple bonds. The carbene are highly reactive species which adds to the alkene to give the cyclopropane derivatives. For example, when propene as an alkene reacted with methylene iodide in presence of zinc copper couple, it undergo addition reaction, that is electrophilic addition reaction. So it results into the formation of methyl cyclopropane. Then again, second example is when 2-butene is reacted with diisomethane in presence of HNO, it liberates elimination of nitrogen molecule, that is N2. It is a stable species and it results into the formation of 1,2-dimethyl cyclopropanes. So this is the first method used for the preparations of cycloalkane by lower members, that is addition of carbene to an alkene. Second, by the action of metallic sodium on the dihaloalkane. So terminal alpha haloalkane is treated with the sodium alkane is obtained. When dihaloalkane is treated with the metallic sodium, when heated, it results into the formation of cycloalkanes. For example, when 1,4-dibromobutane in presence of metallic sodium gives cyclobutane. Here 1,4-dibromobutane is reacted with metallic sodium and get heated. It results into the formation of cyclobutane as a product plus twice NaBr sodium bromide get eliminated. So next is the most popular reaction, that is name reaction, Diels-Alder reactions. So Diels and Alder got the Nobel Prize for the discovery of this Diels-Alder reaction. They have prepared the cyclic compounds from the aliphatic compounds. It is the best achievement in the synthetic organic chemistry, and they got the Nobel Prize for the Alder in reactions. So Diels is the students, Alder is a guides. So this name as a Diels-Alder reactions. The Diels-Alder reaction is an organic chemical reactions, specifically 4-pi plus 2-pi cycloaddition reactions between a conjugated diene and substituted alkene, commonly termed as a diene-dienophile reaction from a substituted cycloalkane derivative, which is on further reduction with Ni gives cycloalkane. For example, so here diene means 2, in means double bond. The compound containing 2 double bonds in the structure is called as diene. Here 1,3-butadiene reacted with in, that is enophiles, that is ethylene in presence of HNO at 473 Kelvin. It results into the formation of cyclohexene as a product. So this cyclohexene on further reduction with nickel, it results into the formation of cyclohexane as a product. So third method of preparation by the reduction of aromatic compounds. So we know that the aromatic compounds are less susceptible for the reductions. So we use the Dastic conditions to reduce these compounds. So we know that what is meant by reduction, that is removal of hydrogen. Addition of hydrogen is called as reduction, or removal of oxygen is called as reduction. So the hydrogen is adds to the compounds, it undergo reduction types of reaction. There are so many definitions available for oxidation and reduction reactions. So here, under vigorous conditions at high temperature or pressure in presence of nickel catalyst, hydrogenation of benzene takes place. When benzene undergo reduction in presence of nickel as a catalyst and heated in the Darastic condition, it results into the formation of cyclohexane as a product. Similarly, when phenol is reduced with the catalyst Ni and heated, the phenol undergo reduction, it forms the cyclohexanol. Once this cyclohexanol is formed, so that cyclohexanol undergo dehydration reactions, that is removal of water molecule. When the water molecule get removed, it results into the formation of cyclohexane. Once this cyclohexane is formed, So that cyclohexane undergo reduction with zinc dust and it results into the formation of cyclohexane as a product. So it is the best method to synthesize the cycloalkane. Similarly, benzene on reduction gives the cyclohexane. Directly the benzene on reduction with nickel in presence of nickel at 473 Kelvin, it results into the formation of cyclohexane as a product. Thank you very much.